Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton and today I'm going to show you how to make these lovely snowflakes. To begin, make a slip knot. Chain 5 and slip stitch into the first chain to make a ring or a circle. After you complete making this circle, we will work in this circle or ring all our stitches. Chain 4 and make a double crochet in the ring. After you make the double crochet, chain 5 and 1 double crochet. Now chain 1 and make a double crochet. Now chain 5 once again. After you chain 5, make a double crochet in the ring. Now chain 1 and make a double crochet once again. Chain 5 and make a double crochet in the ring. You have to repeat the process 5 times since we want 5 points for the snowflakes. Now 3 points are ready. It means 3 times we have already repeated the process. Now we'll repeat it 2 more times. Now we have 4, chain 1 and make a double crochet. Chain 5 for the last time and slip stitch it in the third chain. Now make a slip stitch between the 2 double crochet. Now you make 3 single crochets on this chain. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make a slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook. Now chain 1 and hold it. Now chain 4 and slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook. Once again chain 1 and hold it. Chain 4 and slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook. Now make 3 single crochets. Now slip stitch in between the 2 double crochet and repeat the process. Once again make 3 single crochet and chain 4, slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook, chain 1 and hold it, chain 4 and slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook. Once again chain 1 and hold it, chain 4 and slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook. Make 3 single crochets and slip stitch in between the two double crochet. Now we will speed up to see the end results. Now slip stitch in between the two double crochet and this lovely snowflake is ready. This is so simple yet so lovely. So now you just pull the loop on your hook and tie few knots. Cut the excess yarn and see what we'll do next. Please stick on to the very end to see the finished results. See how lovely this snowflake looks. It's so stiff and looks so flaky, not soft and bending. That hardly looks like yarn. So I will show you how we'll make this look so lovely. These snowflakes will look absolutely beautiful for your Christmas decor. Once you have made all your snowflakes and cut off the excess yarn, so then you take some white glue in a bowl. This is the white glue I used, multi-purpose. It's available in all nearby stores. Now add some clean water. Now you use a clean brush or a new brush and mix it to a smooth paste. Now this is well blended together. Immerse the snowflakes completely into this liquid. Now squeeze off the excess. After squeezing out all the excess liquid, place it on a flat surface. Adjust it in a proper shape and allow them to dry. In case it doesn't dry to one side, flip it to the other side as well. The second option is to apply the liquid with a brush. This won't give you a very firm snowflake, just a little bit of stiffness. Well, I prefer the first option, to immerse the whole flakes in the liquid and squeeze it out. Now arrange them all on a clean surface, flat, and allow them to dry. If it's not dry to one side, turn it to the next and allow them to dry. Wow, now you see how beautiful all these snowflakes are looking. I'm sure you will enjoy the simple project of making these snowflakes. Go ahead and make a lot of snowflakes for your Christmas decoration this year. I hope you will have a wonderful Christmas. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.